first summer remove all the tints that it has around, and then they wanted me to install 5% tints all around.
And that's how it looks before. You can see the little dog. This is how it looks. What are the first steps that we're going to take? I know like right now you're using the heat gun?
Steamer.
Steamer?
Yes. I use a steamer, that way it heats up the adhesive and it's more easier to just peel off. Oh, nice.
So while Isa finishes removing the window tints, I know he still has to do all the other windows, so we'll keep you updated on how that looks.
Right there, I'm gonna have to heat it up.
Isa, I know we finished tinting the rear window and then the side windows.
Yes.
So we tinted everything except the front windshield.
Yes, correct. So everything is 5%, as you can see.
Damn.
All around.
Batmobile?
Batmobile.
Oh. So this is the final result. With that being said, Isa, do we have an outro?
Until the next time.
Nice.